It gives me great pleasure to introduce Dr. Andres Perdomo back into Australia, finally live after the COVID hiatus. Of all the speakers I brought to Australia in the last 15 years, he has had the best course reviews. He's a professor of biomechanics in the University of Colombia in Bogota, and he teaches with a passion. Many cases, clinical information. The last course he did in Australia was oversubscribed. People want more. We did some online lectures, which I'm happy to share with you so you get an idea on his teaching style. But basically, he'll discuss with you class 2, class 3, deep bite, open bite, how to get the most out of variable torque, how to use bite turbos, elastics, when to use them, what direction, what forces, great case finishing, great retention lectures, hot tips on how to maintain open bite closure. I can just listen to this guy for weeks and weeks and weeks. So please keep the dates in mind. He's coming to Australia in February 2023. It's a 2-day course. There's a hands-on component because being very good at biomechanics, he also is going to teach you how to put TADs. So you'll be placing tags on pig mandibles and maxillas, so you can put them in the IZC, the superior oblique ridge, in the palate. You'll understand how he combines the TADs with his biomechanics. It's a very good lecture. So register early because seats are limited. Number one, he's a sellout lecturer. Number two, we have a practical component, so we can't open up too many numbers for the course. Go into EODO Teachable to register your interest. If you want to see some of his speaking style, let me know. Send me a personal email, info@derekmahoney.com, and I'll send you some footage. You can watch him speak. You can understand how good his case finishes are. That will hopefully motivate you to register for this course. Thanks for listening. I'll see you with my good friend in February next year.